How to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch your Steam on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your Steam account. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Call of Duty. Select on Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Verify your age as it is not appropriate for all the age groups. Once you are verified, you'll be able to purchase Call of Duty Modern Warfare. You can select any of the edition and just tap on Add to Cart. It will cost you equal of $69.99. Tap on View My Cart. You can remove any of the existing ones, then tap on Continue to Payment. After which you will have to select a payment method. Over here, select on any of the payment method. In the case of debit or credit card, enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the billing information and tap on Continue. After which you'll be able to purchase yourself and download Call of Duty Modern Warfare. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.